Hey guys, it's a voice crack here, and today we're going to another PKB, or fight as pretty much everyone calls it. And this one's a special one because if you remember, this location was where I had my first fight. So let's get it.
We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love.
Okay guys, so we pretty much made it here. We're pulling up to the spot right now, and I just want to see if anything really big changed here. Oh man, I'm just ready to fight. Whoa, there she is, Maish, all the way at the end. Let's do it. Hey guys, so nothing big. Same old place, same old people, same old mess. I saw Adel win that one. Adel, say hi. Bye. Bye. Just wanted to mention that this guy's actually on the U.S. national team. He left Tuesday, and he went to Argentina to fight in the Pan Ams representing America. Okay guys, so we just got weighed in. Everything's going good. Met my friend Adel. Apparently I'm going to be fighting him again today, which is funny because in my first fight I fought him in exhibition again. So I guess there's no one experienced enough to fight me, so I'm going to have to fight him. We're just walking over to a Subway right now. We're going to get some food and then come back. So you're getting ready.
We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works.
Package received. Have the Subway. Are you ready? Okay guys, so we have just finished eating. He enjoyed it, I enjoyed it. Had a nice long...
Hey, let's eat from your dad.
So we both enjoyed it. Had like a huge pastrami sandwich. Pretty good. Now we're gonna just head back all the way down that way. And we're gonna start getting ready for the fights. Let's do it.
Record this food. He might be on YouTube famous.
Oh, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Terrible. Hey guys, just finished fighting. Lino's pretending to know how he fights now. Just fought, got a medal. Shit. Chris still likes Nikki. See ya!
We bop and hippity hop. I'm as happy as I can be.